Why am I here? Because you're here. What do you mean? If you're not meant to be here, you will not be here. So you're here because you're here. What am I supposed to do? You're doing exactly what you should be doing. So you're here because you're here, and what you're doing is perfect for you. What do you mean? You're here like all of us, like every one of us, doing the same thing, sharing the light, holding the light, being an example of what light looks like. So we can all take and shine even brighter, all of us together. So you're simply here to hold and to share and to shine the light. That's all. Like all of us. We're all doing the same thing in our own way. How am I doing it? You already are doing it. There's no how. Just by you being here, you are doing it. That's the magic of it. By you being alive, you're doing it. That's all. What a question you need to ask. What do you want to know? We can go as detailed as you want, go as nitty as you want. But does it matter? Maybe it does, maybe it doesn't. Or what questions you have right now? I don't know, man. Exactly. You know. Because when you don't know, you still know. So instead of knowing that you don't know, can you know that you know? So I know what question I want to ask. Good. What question do you want to ask? Why do we need to ask questions? Good question. You don't have to. We can know things without. You see the pose and the stuttering over there? Was he us trying to say something that we don't want to say? Or we're not supposed to say? Which is what? You can know without asking. You can know without asking. Who is asking? Think about it. Who is asking the question? From what center, let's say, do you think? That's the key over there. You're asking questions. From what language you're accessing information. There's the language of the physical, of the questions, and there's the language of the beyond. There's the language that shares much more without a single word. That's the language we access in all of us all the time. So that's when we say that you know what you know, and you know that you know, and you know much more. Just learning to translate what you know into whatever you want to translate it to. So what questions are question even needed when the answers all are here already? You just need to just apply what we already know. It's very simple, man. Why getting all these ups and downs left and right? Good question. Very good question. But why questioning that when you already know what to do? Isn't it adding an extra layer to what's out there in front of us to see? That's how simple it is. That's how much you save space because by you already there, let's say uncovering the layers so you can just see the unity of all. Think about it, with all these extra layers that we add, imagine when we remove or we do less with the extra layers, what happens? What happens? Well, there's only one way to find out. Take care.